Assalamualaikum class. How are you all feeling today? I hope you all are doing fine. So the topic we will be doing today is our country. So when you hear the word country, what comes to your mind? Are you thinking about your country? Very good. So the name of your country is Pakistan. The name of your country is Pakistan. Okay, so over here you can see the flag of Pakistan, and the color of our flag is green and white. Do you all know what does the green part represent? The green part shows the majority of Muslims in Pakistan, and the white strip, it shows the minority of non-Muslims in Pakistan. So can you all look at this picture? In this picture you can see that some places are high and some are flat. So this means that they are different kinds of landforms. Some are high and some are flat. So we will do the keywords of our country, which will be different landforms. Okay, so can you look at this picture over here? Over here you can see that there is something very high. I know all of you already know what these are called. So what are they called? Mountains. These are mountains. Mountains are a very high landform and they have peaks on top. Can you all see the sharp peaks on the top? Yes. Okay, let's see one more picture. Can you see the high mountains in this picture? And sometimes there is a river flowing below the mountain as well. So this landform is called mountains. Okay class, so can you see this landform over here? Can you see that on the ground there is no grass over here? The ground, it looks very dry and there is a lot of sand here. So what do you think this landform is called? Are you thinking about the desert? You are right. This is a desert, and a desert, it is a very dry land. It is a very dry area. Okay, so which animal can you see here? A camel, right? So, do you know why there is a camel in a desert? The camel, it can store water in its hump. And can you tell me which plant is this? This is a cactus. Yes, a cactus, it does not need a lot of water to grow. That's why there is a cactus in the desert. So, okay class, so can you all look at this picture over here? Over here, can you see that there is a large water body flowing in between? So what is this water body called? This is called the river. It is called river. Okay, let's see another picture. Can you look at this picture? Can you see from where the river is starting? Yes, it is starting from the top of the mountain. Can you see that on the peak of the mountain, the snow gets collected, and when it melts, it starts flowing down in form of a river towards a large body of water. So can you see the river over here? Can you see the tiny river starting from the top of the mountain and then it is becoming a large body of water? Okay, so can you all look at this picture? Over here you can see that there are a lot of flowers, trees and grass, and the area over here, the surface over here, it is flat, it is plain. So what is this landform called? It is called plains. These are called the plains. The plain is a large flat area of land. It is plain. You can all see that. Okay, let's see another picture of plains. You can see here as well that the area, that the ground, it is plain, it is flat. So this type of landform is called plains. Yes, and you can also see over here at the back, you can see that there are some mountains, but these are mountains, and over here there are plains. Okay, so all of you can look at this picture. Over here, you can see that there is a large body of water, and over here there is sand. There is ground over here. So what is this place called? I think you all have visited this place. It is the seashore. This is the seashore. So the sea is a very large body of water, and the land which is near the sea, this is called the seashore. This is called the seashore. Class. So today we learned about the mountains. We learned about the deserts. Then we learned about the plains, and we also learned about the seashore, and the last we learned was about rivers. Okay class, I hope you all liked today's session, and inshallah we will meet soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.